Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and as you can tell, I'm doing some cleaning around here, but I just got a Stampin' Up! Order, so I had to show you guys. So let me go ahead. Okay, so what is this? This is one of the items that were in there, and this is the new kit, you guys. This is called the Celebration Today Magnet Board Kit. It's a whole kit. It's only $25. And it is awesome. I had to sneak peek look at it with one of my friends who just left. So let's open the rest of this box. And so I'm going to be doing a kit class. So I did get another one here, a second one, because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. This giveaway is going to go to one of my email subscribers. So if you are an email subscriber, you are already on the list to have a chance to win that. So if you want to be on the list, go to beautyandthestamper.com and you will get your name entered when you sign up for my email list. Okay, so let's go ahead. I am getting ready to do some classes. And so, can you hear all that noise? Why? Because I purchased 2 of every color from the Stampin' blends, and they're like skin tone colors. So I ended up getting 2 of each one for myself and one as a prize for bingo night. So again, if you want to know more about bingo night or my Cactus Cuties banner class, make sure you are part of the email list, because that's where you get all the information. So check this out. It is called Cactus Cuties. It's the bundle. You get the, can you see that's the punch for it? And that's going to punch out some of these little cactuses right here. So it's not a huge order, but it came in a huge box. So I got 2 of the magnets, one for you to win possibly, and then one for me to showcase on my class. And if you want to be on that class, all you got to do is buy one for yourself and you will be invited to that class. So you just have to buy one from me, or if you're on my team, you just buy one from yourself. And then, of course, it's celebration, so you get a free celebration item. This one is when you host a stamp set or host a class. You can get this one for free. Now, remember, there are only, 10 more days left of celebration. Is there? Yeah, 10. Today's the 18th. So 10 more days left of celebration where you can earn some free stamp sets. Or if you wanted to join my team, you also get 2 free stamp sets. And of course, it's only $99 and you get $125 worth of product plus any 2 stamp sets. So if that interests you at all, let me know. If you want more information, I'll put a link down below for everything that you need. All right, I will talk to you later. Bye.